Stupid handshake, Beth. Oh, I didn't know it was... You guys were recording? Well, today we have a box here. Sorry, I didn't know what you guys were doing. Stupid handshake. So, all we know about this box, it's a Pokémon. You can tell because there's a Pokeball right here on our box, and it's from Jolteon. Now, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to guess what this is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Time to open up the box. Alright, we got our stuff from Build-A-Bear. Just look this time. Of course. Yellow clothes. That could only mean it's an electric type. And it's a... Wait, before one more thing. It's from the Eevees. It's electric type. Here it is. If you guessed Jolteon, you are correct. If you didn't vote... But if you did vote in electric type, you're kind of on the right track here.
Here we go, guys.
But we have our Jolteon right here. I think it's happy to be out of that box. Anyways, let's just get to the video. Calm down, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, the dude's got stuff flipping out. Okay, I'll be right back. Little. Okay, he's coming down. How many times do I have?
Well, can you tell us a little bit about our pal Jolteon here?
Alright, so Jolteon is an electric type from the Eevee. Let me round them up. Okay.
Alright, Jolteon, behave. You're going back in the box.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Beth, why don't you dress that Jolteon for us, please? And AJ, why don't you tell us a little bit about Jolteon today?
So Jolteon is an electric type from the Eevee evolution. You see, Flareon here is an Eevee evolution if you haven't seen the previous video. How many times is he gonna flip out?
I guess when you're trapped in a box for a few days, you might get a little anxious too.
Okay. Like guacamole.
Alright, let's get that Eevee dress and see what outfit this thing has today. Beth, were you trapped in the box all day or something? What's up?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do this video while Jolteon is sleeping. Bye. Peace. Okay, he's back. He's asleep. I don't know what just happened. He just is he flipping out in his sleep? He's flipping out in his sleep.
Here, wait.
Okay.
Alright, why don't you dress our beautiful Jolteon up, please?
Okay, let's just...
And tell us a little bit about this stuffed animal.
So Jolteon, he is an electric type.
I'm
He's an electric type from the Eevee evolutions. He, like Flareon. Take Flareon for example. He's an Eevee evolution. So it's Espeon,
What type are these fellas?
Umbreon. Flareon is a fire type. Espeon, psychic. That's Espeon.
Okay.
Umbreon, dark
Dark
type.
here.
Vaporeon, water type. No, you don't have Leafeon, Sylveon, Glaceon, and Umbreon with the Build-A-Bears yet, but they're gonna come out. They had to come out. So let's get to 50.
Whoa. Hey, Bethany.
Huh?
Why don't you tell everybody what your favorite little Eevee evolution is?
Watch us pick Espeon.
Oh, and Alexander, what do you got for us, bud?
My favorite, I like Umbreon. I like Sylveon.
Okay.
Sylveon is just one of those really cute Pokemon.
What about your mama? What's your mama like?
Oh, my mom loves Vaporeon. She likes Espeon, and she loves Sylveon too. But Vaporeon is her biggest. She's the biggest. She's probably the biggest fan of Vaporeon.
Here, guy.
And which one would Dad pick?
He would pick. I think my dad would pick
Umbreon.
Yeah, I think he'd pick Umbreon, Flareon, or
Oh, guy, you're right.
I don't think Dad would be able to pick. I think he would stick to Eevee. Too many choices.
Me, guy, you're right.
Yeah, that is. If you count, you can, oh my gosh! Stop flipping out, though.
I think Beth was left in the box all day today.
I got him.
I think you were left in the box doing homework all day today, don't you?
I got Jolteon. He was. Oh my!
Careful.
Be nice.
Bethany, why don't you tell us a little bit of what happened to your teeth? You're missing some.
Yeah, she is missing some teeth.
Wow.
Beth, what happened to your last tooth?
Oh, a Koopa gave it out.
How did that happen?
She brushed home.
I'm Papa.
A little too hard.
Yeah. And my dad played Koopa rolling on that.
How long did it take us to get it out?
Oh, okay.
Maybe like 5 days.
I think it felt like 2
It
weeks.
felt like a month to me.
Yeah.
Beth, show them your teeth. You have no front teeth.
And I have
Is
also.
Jolteon dressed yet, AJ?
No, he's going.
Oh, yeah.
Did AJ have braces in the last video?
No, you never showed his braces
AJ,
off.
you want to show off the braces?
Oh, I also have some.
I got him. Come on, buddy.
Okay. Make sure he doesn't go nuts.
Beth, you dress him. AJ wants to go show off his little teeth issues.
I have braces, but that's not the bad thing about me.
It's hard to see.
You have a bracket for your
Yeah,
press pipe?
I have a bracket in my mouth.
Okay. Get it really hot.
Oh, there we go. And what does the bracket do?
The braces aren't expanding my mouth, and my mouth's really narrow. But it won't expand, so I had to have the bracket, and my dad has to tighten it so it will expand my mouth.
And he has to guide his baby.
Wait. Did you?
Somehow I don't think this Jolteon wants to get dressed.
Jolteon. I don't have to be. He just flipped. He just did a flip.
Gotta finish up. Come on.
Well, that was our video with Jolteon. There will be another one like 2 months. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe Jolteon will behave for this one. I'm
What?
sure everybody wants to see his outfit.
What EV, guys, do you think is coming out next?
Any
AJ,
guesses?
you pick.
Okay,
What EV do you think will come out next?
I think Sylveon.
Okay, Beth. What about you? Sylveon?
And now we're gonna play Battle with my mom in the next video.
This kid's always trying to see if he can get something extra.
Wrong.
All right, say goodbye to your
AJ
fans.
doesn't-
I will say goodbye until the
AJ
next
doesn't want to lose.
Peace.